So today we will do chapter 12, and it relates with statistics. So here in this chapter exercise, you have to make graphs. It is related with graphs. So three types of graphs we will be doing here. So first we are going to do all the questions. We are not going to do because it is plotting on the graph paper. Some questions only we are taking. So just question number 2 we are taking. So one table is given for various sections of the society, and girls per 1,000 boys. You make that by bar graph. So one is your bar graph. But in bar graph, what happens? This type of bars will come, and separate bars you have to make. In bar, it is separate bars you have to make. In bar, but this thing you have to remember. This is your x-axis and y-axis, and what is this you have to write, and what is this also you have to write, and scale also you have to write. Scale also you have to write. Okay, it equal to how much units? This unit, this equal to scale you have to give in every questions. This you have to keep in mind. So question number 2 we are going to do. So we will plot it in this way. Here it is in hundreds. Okay, so we will make it here girls per 1,000. Girls number, girls we will keep it here, and the section of the society we will put here, like SC, ST, non-SC, ST, non-SC and ST. Okay, then backward, then backward district, non-backward districts, non-backward, rural and urban. Okay, this type of unit. And here we will start with 940. When we start with some by jumping something instead of 0, it is always 0, no? So we make a kink. It is known as the kink, and we start it like this. So first is your 910. This will be your 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, 970 and 980. Okay, so this one is here. What is this? These are the section of the society section. Okay, and these are girls. Okay, so here you have to plot SC. They are 940. So SC they are 940 means your graph will be like this. 940. It is 940. Okay, 940 will be like this. ST 970. So ST is here, 970 is here. So your graph will be like this. It is 970. It will come here in this way. Non-SC 920. So 920 is here. 920 is here. It will be like this. All will be separate. 920. Backward districts 950. So 950 is coming here. So it will come here. It will come here. 950 will come like this. 950. Then non-backward district 920. So 920 will come here. Okay, 920 will come here. 920 and 920. Then 930 is the rural, so it will come here. This is 930, and then again you have to another 1 minute. Jump हो गया. And 910 is also there. This is 910. Okay, so this is your bar graph. Second question is complete. In the second question, second question is complete. Now we will go to question number 4, and we will there we will learn the type of second type of we will learn. Okay, so Now question number 4 we are going to do. In this you have to make a histogram. First question was of bar graph, it is of histogram. So there is not much difference. Only thing is that previously these bars were of with a space. Now the bars will be just side by side. So here it will be side by side, means it will be like this. No space will be there. There is no space. No space. Okay. So then it is known as the histogram. It is clear? Now question number 4 we are going. So in the question number 4, they have given a range 118 to 126. This is known as the class interval. Class interval. So class interval they have given, or range they have given, first lower range and higher second range. So here you see this 126 is not coming here, or 135 is not coming here. It means this and this is not continuous. It is not a continuous series. So first you have to make it continuous. So how to make continuous? We will extend, because the difference we will here we will put 0.5. So when you will put 5, here also you will put 1.5. Okay, here we are reducing and here we are increasing. Okay, so this is, then it will become same. Here now this will come here. When it will come here, 126.5 and 135.5. Now this is continuous because it is coming here. In this question it was not coming here, so it was not a continuous series. Now it is a continuous series. In this way the whole class intervals we are going to change. So again 135.5 will come here, and this is 144.5, then 144.5, then 153 point. Here we are increasing and here we are decreasing. 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5, 171.5 and 171.5 to 180.5. So, and these are the frequency. Frequency means how many leaves are there. Means suppose in this range 12 leaves are there. In this range 5 leaves are there. So your question part histogram we will draw, and its part B, part 2 is there any other suitable graphical representation of the same data? So this data we have also a third option we are having. Third option we are having, that is frequency polygon. Frequency polygon. That is the another. In frequency polygon, what happens? The midpoints are joined together. Means like this, and this. If you will join, it is become frequency polygon. Then instead of histogram, we say it. Then this line, this dotted, this line is, means your line will be like this. It will be, so this is frequency polygon. And without this, it is when without space we are writing, then it becomes histogram. Okay, without, but with there, this midpoint you need not to make. So this is histogram. And so this is the second part, and another part is there of the question. Third is it correct to conclude that the maximum number of leaves are in 153? So this is your maximum leaf is here, and they are saying is the R of 53 mm long. This relates with this range. 12 leaves, 12 number relates to 1445 to 153.5. So we cannot conclude that 12 leaves are of 153 only. It can be 145, 146 or anything in between, and even 144.5 also it can be. So like this, when it happens, we cannot conclude that it is 1. Now this is the reason. So it is your third answer. Third answer, because in this range, because it belongs to a 12 belongs to a range, and in the range any number may come. So now we are going to draw a histogram for the given. Okay. So for drawing, we will take this value, continuous series value, we will take. So this we have plotted on x-axis. This is your x-axis. We have plotted here. And on y-axis, we are plotting the number of leaves. So number of leaves we have plotted here, and scale we have taken 1 unit equal to 2. 1 unit, and here 1 unit equal to 8. 9 we are taking. 9. 1 equal to 1 unit equal to 9. 1 unit equal to 9 we are taking. Okay. So this scale you have to give. Here also scale you have to give 2. 1 unit equal to 2. 1 unit equal to 2. You have to give the scale also. This is scale. Scale always you have to write. Scale you have to write. Now, when we do not start with 0, then what happened? We make a kink here and just make this sign. It means something is left, and from here we will start. So once it is 3 only. 117 to 160 it is 3 only. So up to 3 hour it will go up to 3 like this. Then it is 5. Then it is 5. It will go up to here. Then it will be 5. Then 135 to 144. 135 to 19. 135 to 199. So 9 will come here. 9 like this. 9 will come. Then 9. Then it is 12 will come. So then it will go up to 12. Then 153 to 162 it is 5. So again it will come down to here. 5. It will come to 5. Then 162 to 170 it is 4. So it will come here. 4 it will come here, and here it is 2. Okay, 2. So it will come here. So this is your histogram. Histogram. It is your histogram. The shape will be like this. Okay. So this is continuous series, and it is this way. Okay, now we will go to the next question. Now question number 6. Question number 6 here, it is given 3, 9, 17, 12 and 9. And here it is given 5, 19 and 15, 10 and 1. You may be remembering the frequency polygon, in which what we told, first we will make a histogram and then midpoint of, suppose midpoint is here. So what we used to do, we used to make it by the line. So instead of drawing these, how we will draw? We will draw it like this. Okay. So by joining the midpoints. So it means the midpoint is required. Okay, here you see it is in class interval. So when it is in class interval, you have to find the mid value, then only we can plot it there. So for mid value, what they say, they give a heading of class mark, because this is your class. 0 to 10 is known as the class. This is known as a class. 10 to 20 is a class, means how many. So here we will make class marks. Class marks. So it will be 5, 15, 25, 35 and 40. How it comes? You add these two and divide by 5. So if one is 5, so other will be also by the difference of 10. 10 is the difference. So 10 is the difference we have put here. So here also class marks will be same. Class marks will be 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Now class marks are there. They want both the section A and section B both should be in one graph. Means one graph is there. If this is of A and this is of B section. So they want in one graph this type of figure they want. So now we will make a polygon. We will just rub we will try to adjust it here. Okay, 1 minute. So we will adjust it here. So frequency we are taking this way, and 1 unit equal to 3. In the graph paper 1 unit we are taking as a 3. And here the marks of the now we will take this class marks here. Okay, marks will come here. And this 1 unit equal to 5 we are taking. Now for this 3 is the, so for this 3 is here. Okay, 3 is like this. The midpoints we will touch. Then for 15 it is 9. So for 15 it is 9 is here. For 15 9 is here. Okay, in this way we will plot it. Then for 25 it is 17. 25 it is 17, means it will come somewhere here, and 25 is here. So it is for 25, for 17. And then for 35 it is 12. 35 it is 12. 12 will come here, and then 35. Okay, so 12 and 35 is here. Then for 45 it is 9. 45 it is 9. So 9 is coming here. Okay, 48. So one line we can draw like this by joining the midpoints, and this we can term as line A, section A. Okay, and indicator we can give. Indicator we can give. Indicator means straight line is of A and dotted line is of B. This indicator also you can give. Now the B section. 5 is the frequency. So 5 frequency is 5. Means somewhere it will be here. 5 is there. Then for 15 it is 19. For 15 we have to go to 19. For 15 it is here 19. For 15 it is 19. Okay. Then for 25 it is 15. For 25 it is 15. 15 will come here, somewhere here. So it will, because it is 17, 15 will come here. So 15 and 25 it will come here. For 25 15. For 35 10. For 35 we have to go up to 10. So 10 will be somewhere here. For 35 it will be here. Dotted line. Sorry, we have to make it by the dotted lines, because it is of another section. So we will make it by dotted lines of 35. Then for 45 it is 1 only. For 35 frequency is 1 only. For 35 so 35 it is 10, and 45 it is 1. So 45 we will make it somewhere here. Here it will come, 1 will come here. So this dotted line is of B section, A section and B section. Over. So which has now the question is polygon and compare the. So here class interval is of 10. Intervals are of 10. So where it ends, from here we will go. 45 is the last, but we will finish the line at 55 because our interval is of 10. So this line you have to make up to here, and this also you have to make it here by the dotted lines. By the dotted lines you will make it up to here. It will touch this point. Okay, this is your A line, A section, and this is your, it will touch here, and this will also touch here. Likewise here also 10 you want. So with the 5 we have started. 5 5 to 5 10 like this, but 10 is the then this is 0, this is -5. We want a class of difference of 10. So 10 difference comes here. So this line will match it here, and this dotted line you have to match also here. So this will be your graph, because the interval is of 10. Interval of 10. Interval equal to 10. Class interval equal to 10. That's why here also 1 unit and 1 unit like this. Okay, now it is clear, I think. Thank you. Yeah, check it. Question number 9, you have to prepare a histogram. But histogram you know, but here number of letters is given 1 to 4, 4 to 6, and the surnames, how many surnames have only 4 letters? How many surnames have 4 to 6 letters? How many surnames are given? But here you see the class interval is neither continuous. 6 comes here, 4 comes here, 8 to 12, but it is continuous is showing, but the difference, class difference is not equal. It means here the class difference is of 3, here class difference of 2, here class difference of 2, and here it is 4, and here it is 18. 12 to 20, 18. This is your class difference. So width of this class is likewise. It is here. So when this width is not a common, then we have to find the length of each rectangle, because polygon histogram, in that you will be making like this. So this is length of this length, you have to find how much length will be of this 6. So for that purpose we will calculate for each and we have to decide the units what we will be taking. Suppose unit, 1 unit equal to, suppose 2 we want to take, so that easily we can plot it. So 1 unit is equal to 2, suppose you want to take. So your width will be, surname, this is your F, this is your frequency. So frequency upon width into the units you will be taking. So it will be 3 to 2 to the 4. Like this, everyone you have to convert. By likewise, this is we have given, by this we have calculated it here. How it is coming? Here I have told you, frequency upon width you take into the units you will be taking, units desired, units in scale, whatever the scale you will be taking. Suppose 2 you are taking, 2 you will get. So this gives you the converts it like 4 is the frequency, width is 8, means the difference of these two is 8, and the scale we will be taking 2, so this has come. Now you have to plot it in a histogram. So this and this is now going to do your question. This side it is not relevant. This is only relevant. So I will just clean it and then make a graph. Okay, 1 minute. So here these letters I have written here, this length of the rectangle, proportionate length of the rectangle we have written here, and surnames also, number of surnames. So number of surnames we are writing here, proportionate length we are writing here, and number of letters we are writing here. Okay, so now we will go to plot it. So here number of letters also we can make it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and 22. Okay, this is likewise we can make it 22. So first is our 1 to 4. 1 to 4 it is now it is 4, now it is 6, but length of the rectangle will be this much. Okay, so length of the rectangle means it will go up to 4. Up to 4 it will go 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means here. It will come up to here. It will come up to here. So what will happen from here? We will start 4. 4, it will be 4. 4, we will take 4. 4 is coming. Then 1 to 4 we are taking. This is 0. So 0. So it will be like this. 1 to 4. 1 to 4 it is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You can say it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be like this, 4. Then it is 30. 30 is 4 to 6. 4 to 6, we have to go up to 30. Okay, so up to 30 it is like this. Then 6 to 8, it is 44. It is 44. 6 to 8 is 44. Then 8 to 12, 8 to not 8 to 10, 8 to 12 it is. So our graph will be up to here. 8 to 12, 8 to 12 it is 8 to 12 it is 16. 8 to 12 it is 16. So we will go up to, and 8 to 12 it is 8. This we will not take. This we are taking. 8. 8 to 12, 8 we will take. So 8 to 12, 8 we will take. So 8 is coming here. Somewhere here. It will be like this. It is 8 to 12, 8 to 12, and 8 now length, proportionate length is 8. So this proportionate length will be like this. Then 12 to 20, 12 to 20, only 1 is there. 1, it will be very near to the line. So now it will be up to this. Okay, so now your histogram is prepared. Histogram is prepared where this is not equal, difference is not equal, class interval is not equal. Then we find the proportionate length of the rectangle. Whatever rectangle in histogram is coming, that's proportionate length we have to calculate, and then it will be written here and it will be plotted. Likewise, this chapter is over. Thank you for watching our channel. Please share our videos with your friends. Thank you.